Just needs to be square. And we're going to cut one of them. Because the important thing is not that they are the appropriate length, but that they are the same length. As long as they're the same length, we're okay. This needs to be at 45. We're making a picture frame. Ah. A little more. Be off, isn't it? Well, let's see. Yep, a little fat still. Just a hair fat right there. Well, we're pretty much perfect. Right there. And then you've got 1 to 1. And then 2 to 2 to 2 to 2. Line. And line-ish. Before we move on. Space to wrap those diamonds right to the edge. Just like that. Okay, I got bottom wrinkles. Top wrinkles, that's actually looking really good though. Yeah, it's looking pretty good. Actually, I'm going to do it the other way. Oops. Forgot to fold the corner before putting these staples in. Oh no, I'm losing the diamonds. The diamonds is disappearing. And that gets folded down. Pull that up, flatten it out, and go ka-chink. Okay, there you go. There we go. So there you have it, diamond art. And this joint is a really fun one. The mitered bridal joint is a very simple joint, and it comes together, and the nice thing about it is it's structurally sound. When you wrap the canvas around it, the canvas is what's holding the frame together. There's no hardware actually holding the frame itself, other than these staples holding the canvas on. It's kind of a fun little joint, and it's great for these stretched frames. So anytime you are going to be wrapping a canvas around, or in this case diamond art, they work out really well. And for those of you wondering, this is a picture that I took on our last night in London a few years ago, and I really like how this one came out. I've done a bunch of diamond art in the past, and I have framed them in different ways and tried different things, but I think this is my new favorite, and I'm going to be doing this with a lot more of them. So yes, I really like how this came out. If you do have any thoughts or ideas, comments, or if you would like to see the how-to where I actually talk through this, what I was doing and why I was doing it, I have a whole second channel with that. This channel is more for easy watching and just laid back enjoyment. So if you want to find out more about the how-to and the actual teaching, that's over on Wood by Wright How-To, the second channel. And if you do have any other questions, thoughts, ideas, let me know those down below, or you can hit the like, comment, share, and subscribe. Those things help keep us in front of other people and keep the channel rolling here, so thank you for that. If you'd like to take it one step farther though, it is patrons and members that keep this channel rolling. Without patrons and members, we wouldn't be here. The lights wouldn't be on and this channel wouldn't exist. So thank you for that. We are sponsored by you, the viewers, and without you, we wouldn't exist. So if you'd like to find out more about that, there's a link to Patreon down below, or click the little join button and become a member here on YouTube. But I think that'll do it for now. And until next time, have a wonderful day. Working with pine makes me really want something, though I'm not sure what, because in this case I'm just pining away.